Stay lines blur, late night words, my face hurt, hit this herb, now I'm attuned to the music, don't interrupt, might lose it, don't interrupt, confuse it, fill up your cup, infuse it, don't interrupt.
What's up, Experiment Clan? It's your girl PlainJane, and I'm back with another video. Today's experiment, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super delicious pho, and I figured out how to make it using only $15. So it's super delicious, it's super cheap, and also I can get as many refills as I like. If you love seeing videos like this, go ahead and hit that like button down below, thumbs this video up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already to be a part of the Experiment Clan. And I do want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoy. Now, as you all should already know, this is my favorite part because it's almost time to eat. So I went ahead and I just piled my pho up with my favorite ingredients. You can use whatever type of meats you like. If you like thinly sliced beef or tripe, the skies are the limits when it comes to this pho. Comment down below and let me know what type of ingredients you like in your pho or what you like to pair yours with. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, click that thumbs up button. And if you're not a part of the experiment clan, then what exactly are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you guys recreate this recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next experiment.
Rose in my champagne, niggas know my damn name. Keep me out your pics, no.